Do Ornn give a debuff to enemy? Yeah, he makes them have 30% less tenacity with brittle, so they get CC'd longer on the next CC spell. Okay, so we gotta leash Kha'Zix, I mean Zinzao. We're gonna go Bammy, double null magic mantle, Yaksha, and then we're gonna go Gargamel oil. We're gonna go Jax's toes and Gargamel oil. Do Rivens cheese often, or is it just a lot? Oh no, that's just a Riven thing, man. Every single Riven does it. Level 1 cheese is there. Bread and butter. Every Riven is the same. They all do the same shit. Level 1 cheese into level 3 flash W ignite or whatever. It's all the same bullshit. And then they get Ravenous Hydra and then they proxy. And then they just outfarm you. Because they have 0 mana cost and their champion is absolutely busted. By the opinion of Briar Champ, she's weird. Thank you, Zinza. As I walk through the valley of the shadow, gotta learn when nobody's here to teach me. They can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can and I guess they won't. I'm about to kill the Rumble. Yeah, he ulted. If he didn't ult, he probably would have died. Dance floor, baby. Nice. What the f? How did this Kha'Zix survive? I'm about to counter the f out of this Rumble. I'm about to go Negatron Cloak, Null Magic Mantle, into Merc Treads, into another Null Magic Mantle. I'm about to destroy this guy's whole existence because I outscale the f out of him. I'm gonna wear 5 mini skirts to counter this guy. Have you seen Renata's base model ass? It's amazing. Someone remind me to check it after the game for research purposes. Ah, what the f. You guys are getting TikToked. I feel like that's the worst thing you can tell someone. You're being made into a TikTok and the YouTube short. What is that Orianna skin? I try, aye. Now I go Gargoyle. Now I'm huge. You will dive me at level 3, protect me, God Makkro. You have my blessing. Not only am I gonna TikTok it, I'm gonna YouTube short it. Ah, what the fuck? Oh! 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 Oh yeah, just like that. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh god. Oh yeah. That's why I play this fucking champ. That's why I fucking play him. Leave him. Oh, what? No, you're gonna die. Clipped? Yeah, don't worry, I clipped it. Guys, I got a stream deck thingy. I press button and I make clip. It's so genius. And if I press a button, it launches a nuke towards the enemy top laner's location. But I haven't used that yet. Oh my god. I'm so huge. Korean Ornn, brother, really selling out to be Korean. Yeah, you gotta get those, I think he's dead. I think I hit him. I don't hit him. Imagine paying like an insane amount of money just to call yourself a Korean Ornn one trick. Worth, in my opinion. Vacation Enjoy the country. Enjoy your life. Nah, fuck that shit. Lock yourself in a room for 400 hours. Go mentally insane just to get a funny title with a funny number. Tell us what all the buttons do. Well, I have one that takes a screenshot. I have one that takes a clip. I have one that changes the music volume and or skips it. And I have a button that launches a nuke. Korean rooms that don't make me crazy. Oh, fuck. I didn't kill him. Hello, Talia? Okay, there. Wait, is she already leaving me? Man. All these girls, man. They just use me. I give them an upgrade and then they just leave. Crown is good upgrade? I mean, it's okay. It's HP and AP. And ability haste. Check Renata's ass. Okay. Variation. Renata Glask 1. Load. God damn! She fucking packing, bro. What the f? It's not that big, actually. I mean, it's a good shape. See the emote animation? Which one? The attack? Dance. Laughing animation? Taunt? Joke? Where's laugh? Death home guard, idle knockup. Run, boots, recall. Wait. Now that we're here, wait a minute. Now that we're here. Holy fuck, dude. What the fuck? God, that's a level 100 gat, bro. Wait a minute. What the fuck am I? What the fuck is that? Is Orn here? Okay, Orn. Load. Save it for later? Yeah, I remember what to click. Bro, Orn is so f***ing wide. God damn. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, he's... Bro, Orn has no ass whatsoever.
You like that? I do.